Welcome to 3 Mosa Court, an incredibly spacious 4+2 bedroom brick home with 4 washrooms, nestled within a desirable and family-friendly neighbourhood of Central West Ajax. Backing onto a lush wooded ravine setting, this premium-sized pie-shaped property is over 1/4 of an acre in size, measuring approximately 248 feet deep and 147 feet wide at the rear, and showcases a huge southwesterly facing backyard with existing vegetable beds and a large outdoor entertaining area, and is landscaped front and back with beautiful perennial gardens and other greenery, which also line the stone walkway to an enclosed entrance, the entry door and its sidelights finished with decorative glass inserts. The foyer is bright, welcoming, and open to the above level. Its ceramic flooring continued through a side hallway and the related spaces, as well as into the kitchen and breakfast areas, with a cascading chandelier illuminating the staircase and the reception area. The 3 windows along the living room's northeast-facing turret wall allow for soft natural light. This and the adjacent family room both finished with elegant crown moldings and having pocket French doors between them that bring semi-privacy to the rooms when desired. Brazilian cherry hardwood flooring brings rich warmth to these entertaining spaces as well as to the dining room, all which are generous in size and well suited for either large-scale gatherings or intimate soirees. The family room enjoys the added warmth of a gas fireplace finished with a stone accent facade and hearth, and with track lighting highlighting the display area of its mantel, and also features one of 2 sliding door walkouts to the backyard. Above the naturally bright breakfast area is an elegant light fixture, this room having the main walkout to the backyard, 2 accent windows, as well as a full wall pantry complementing the cabinetry storage of the kitchen. Blending modern and traditional design elements within its functional working space, the kitchen showcases stone counters and stone-tiled backsplashes, a large south-facing window above its stainless steel double sink, glass-paneled accent doors and additional pantry storage with the cabinetry, as well as stainless steel appliances, including a built-in dishwasher and microwave, an oven with smooth surface cooktop, and a French door fridge. A French door provides convenient direct access into the dining room. This intimate entertaining space showcasing a modern chandelier with a ceiling medallion, a bay window with light diffusing privacy blinds, and papered lower walls finished with chair rail, while a set of French doors offer an elegant entry from the main hallway. The side hall off the foyer is where you find a laundry room with a French door entry, a front-load washer and dryer, cabinet and closet storage, a sink with a stone-tiled backsplash, a secondary side door entrance and access to the double-car garage, a powder room, its vanity finished with a stone counter, and the main coat closet. While curving gracefully to the upper level is an oak hardwood staircase, this level showcasing Brazilian cherry hardwood flooring throughout, 4 very spacious naturally bright bedrooms, and 2 updated washrooms. The main 5-piece washroom showcases pot lighting, a furniture-style vanity with a stone counter and double basins, as well as upgraded floor and shower wall tiles. The 4th bedroom enjoys the morning light of an east-facing exposure, with both it and the 3rd bedroom featuring walk-in style closets. The second and third bedrooms have south-facing windows for warm natural light that also offer backyard and ravine views, with the second bedroom featuring a double closet. And all three of these bedrooms are able to accommodate sitting or study areas. Through a double door entry is the very generously sized master suite. All four of its windows have privacy blinds and allow for an abundance of diffused natural light, with the space along the turret wall a lovely place for a sitting or reading area. Also featuring upgraded light fixtures and a walk-in closet, this bedroom's spa-like ensuite washroom showcases accent pot lights, a clawfoot tub with a handheld shower, upgraded tiled finishes, including a mosaic accent border and a marble tiled floor with its glass shower, which has a rainfall shower head, and a vanity with a stone counter. The main level also features upgraded light fixtures in the reception area, plus a bonus room that can be used as a home office or as a storage room, and which is adjacent to the staircase to the lower level. Fully finished, and having a very large open layout that is ideal for additional household recreational and entertaining space, or as an in-law suite for extended families. This level features vinyl plank flooring throughout much of its space, above-grade windows, exceptional storage, a laundry area, and a 4-piece washroom with tiled finishes and a pedestal sink. The main recreational area can easily accommodate a dining room and multiple entertaining spaces, while the kitchen area has laminate flooring, cabinets, and a stainless steel sink. Off the kitchen is a large bedroom with 2 double closets, storage shelves, and pocket French doors opening into a multi-purpose room with many potential uses, including a media room or fitness studio. This space having a set of French doors to the main recreation area, as well as a separate private entry into a bonus room that can be used to suit personal or household needs, including as a guest bedroom or an office. A beautiful example of country living in the city, the huge south-facing backyard is a sun-filled outdoor oasis surrounded by mature perennials, evergreens, and deciduous trees, with a lush ravine at the rear of the property. The open lawn area offers lots of space for outdoor play. The existing vegetable garden beds will delight urban gardeners, and more perennial plantings surround the entertaining space of the stone patio, which also has a vine-covered pergola above the walkout from the family room. Steps to public transit, a short walk to Westney Heights Public and St. Patrick Catholic Elementary Schools, and also close to Pickering High School, the Riverside Golf Course, and local plazas for everyday conveniences. This home is minutes to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Center Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401, and Ajax's beautiful waterfront park with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.